Hey, hi. Yes, hi Tirupati. Yeah, sure. We will continue interview, correct? Yeah, sure. Yeah, I'm Apasai. So basically, I'm living in Pune, Maharashtra, in Magarpata. So I have total 6.5 years experience. So basically, journey starting 2016 after graduation completing. So yeah, primary skill is mobile application development is native side, and then moving to the React Native side. So basically, I'm working on banking sector, in insurance sector, and cryptocurrency, as well as the enterprise application is creating like as an e-commerce platform similar to application. So and recently project is Aditya Birla Insurance, so managing the all the insurance customer multiple insurance types, so creating a mobile application as well as the web application. And also the right now my current role is like as a tech leader, so handling the all the project related. So story wise, like as a we Jira on creating all the story and implementation story wise the features, like as a website also we are using React JS mobile application for using React Native, and backend EV is using Node.js. Node.js is Node.js is side we are using Nest.js, is similar to framework, and we are using GraphQL rather than the REST API. And also I have knowledge to DevOps side, so DevOps side like as AWS sites, how to create deploy on Docker images using Jenkins through managing the also the Kubernetes, means all end-to-end flow we are developing. Yeah, this is my role of the history. Yeah, thank you. React Native around 8 application development in Crash. So basically, primary skill is React Native. Almost around 6 years working on a React Native. Yeah, correct, correct. Yeah, sure. Yeah, obviously single threaded. So actually, yeah, single threaded basically there are three threads. So basically, firstly JS thread, second is native UI threads, means like the bridge, and second is shadow thread. Is a previous architecture, but 2020 is new architecture is coming. So similar to three threads, but we native thread means like the bridge. There are GSI threads is coming. So because before we are using serializations, we are using serialization JSONs, but right now we are writing yeah, all the native application to React Native is bridging communication. We write CSS languages. So basically three threads is available. Yeah, and every thread is individual task, like as a shadow thread is like as a your the UI positions working on like as a GSI means JavaScript interface, like as a communication React Native to native. There is every thread is individual task is separately. Yeah. Yeah, React Native debugger is multiple VR tool is available. Like as we are using Redux Saga, then also the Redux tool available. We are also the using MobiX State, also the global management libraries. Then also the MobiX dev tools available. Otherwise, you can normally then also the in browser using Metro is by default providing. Then we are opening reload debugging and debugging on all the your state application on your browsers on specific port on, like as a default port 8081 on, we can check the all the application debug. Yeah. Pardon? JSX. Okay, JSX means JavaScript XML language. So there means like we can creating also the .jsx file, otherwise .tsx file is TypeScript advanced level. So there is a single file in can writing your the UI logic, also the business logic if you possible. Yeah. Okay, arrow function means like as a introduce the ECMAScript 6 new features. Arrow function means like as a self binding function, means like a self return the some properties. So you can means like as a the normal function inside there is some limitations, and arrow function is new feature also. Arrow normal function we like as a how many parameter passing to easily we can counting the normal function, but arrow function means like as you can defining a const function name arrow functions, and you can return the single lines also the self return the function similar to. And you can any component you can defining a arrow function, then is easily you can render return inside, you can access the arrow functions. Yeah. Yeah, map function means like as here is you have one array data, so any array similar normal array or array of object. So then after that dot map you can assign, there you getting the items and index numbers. So you can showing the flat showing the list of the records data, then we are using dot map, there is getting the item and index position. Yeah. Okay, API calls there are multiple way. So in case backend is REST API, then we are using Azure's library. Then backend is in case GraphQL available, then we are using Apollo clients is middlewares. So Azure's inside multiple HTTP methods like a get, post, put, delete, patch. So multiple HTTP method we are consuming and implementation the calling the backend API. There is another is you have a GraphQL, then we are Apollo client, there is query and mutation we are consuming, and we are access the backend. Yeah. Yes, we are also the using promise.all. Yeah, promise.all means like as you defining a some functions like as a function 1, function 2 and function 3. You have a three function, inside every three function is different APIs, and you dot promise.all, and inside a function name array of the function name inside, then at a time calling the backend APIs. Yeah. Yeah, Redux means like as your global state management library is very good. We are achieving the handling, means like as you developing very big enterprise applications. So all the state is every component is managing very difficulty. So we are managing global level. So that's the reason for we are using a Redux Saga, also the Redux thunks also available. Then another way Mobix state. So Redux means like as we managing the global level like as types, action, reducers. Then also the root reducer is creating a root reducer, and your application parent level like as app.js or app.ts file, there is pass the main root, and we can access the all the reducer values. Yeah. Okay, middlewares means like as a I told you middleware Saga, Thunk is the middleware. Middleware means like as your applications and your the global state like as a Redux. Their communication is middleware like this, and this is a global state level is middleware, and also the yeah, correct, middleware. And another also the React native and native side is breach also the middleware like concept JS module. Yeah. Yeah, we are also the local DB. So by default React native provided asynchronous storage, So we are using another is you have a very big or is a very complex data storing the local database, then we are using SQLite. Also the SQLite is a SQL format, and also the we are using realm format. Realm is non-SQL format. There are totally three database we are using by default. SQL storage also we are React Native providing, and SQLite, and third one is, sorry, asynchronous storage is also firstly, SQLite is second, and Realm is thirdly. All the database we are storing in encrypted format. Yeah. Bulbs record. So yeah, bulbs record means like as you you have some array. So like as you have a multiple array single record. So firstly, local database you not array format of data storing. So firstly, we are using like as a JSON stringify we are using. All the data is converted to string, and string we can store the local database. Yeah. Okay, database migration means like as a use something we are using mostly type ORM. There is we are using, so basically you some data is formatting SQL format, and you migrate to non-SQL format. Then we are firstly defining a type ORM. Type ORM means like as all the types is defining, so all the keys values, firstly reading the all the data, so step by step, and then converting the type ORM, and type ORM to insert the non-SQL format. Yeah, we are working also the migration script. Yeah. Okay, native models is good feature. So native models means like as a some feature is not possible is React Native, like as a creation PDF, also the protect PDF. So we are writing code the native sites, all native site code writing, creating PDF, protected PDF. Like as a iOS site for we are using Objective C. Also there is Breeze concept script writing code. Android side Java or Kotlin writing codes. So there is all the native side writing feature implementation, React Native to native function calling. Then we are using native models. Yeah. Yes, we are also developer. PDF creation and protected. Basically PDF creation is possible to React Native, but protected is not possible. We are also the check multiple libraries, also the multiple technique, but not possible React Native. So all feature implementation native side, and native React Native to native feature function calling, and native to React Native only the part retry. Okay, environments like as a basically we are .env file means .env .dev basically development environment, then your staging environment, production environment. So every environment handling the different environment file. So in case in case your application going to the staging level, then .env all the secret file is handling, development managing the all secret files, production also the production levels. This is the environment related, and also the branches strategy, branch strategy also we are using, like as a firstly dev branch is all the developer is working, another QA EVT, and after that all the EVT code is working good, then going to master means production level. And once the code is working, then we are deploying the application on the App Store and Play Store. We are using also the deployment for Fastlane also the good is automation deployment over the applications. Yeah. Pardon. Okay, plist file means like as you are the some permissions, some application related information we are storing in plist file. So like as a you your some bundles, which bundle version, you are the iOS side, also the you means like as a you asking to the user camera some native permission like as a camera locations. So we can managing also the custom message we can pass, means like as all the details we managing the plist file inside. Yes, yes. We are basically firstly is Razorpay we are using. After that is CC Avenue payment gateway, and also inbuilt in app purchase. In app purchase also we are using payment gateway, and PayPal also we are using. Yeah. Yes, yes, yes. JWT token, we are also the backend side, so Node.js side. So we are implementation JWT token. There is two token, access token and refresh tokens. We are also using. Pardon? Test cases. Yes, yes. I like also test cases. Basically, React Native testing that libraries using we are writing test cases. All the components writing test cases. Your test cases almost 85 coverage is completed. Then pushing to the code. Otherwise, not pushing because senior developer is checking firstly test cases coverage. And once the 85 complete, then accept the PR. Otherwise, reject your PR. Yeah, we are writing all the test cases. Yeah, code quality for we are using firstly SonarQube is a good tool as to market available. So we are implementation SonarQube and all those writing your the code and checking SonarQube also the all the coverage is complete, and also the code quality for checking the tools good SonarQube. Yeah. Basically we core quality for we are using firstly atomic design pattern. So atomic design pattern means like as all the core components create separately, core services create separate, core utils create separately, like this. And we also the sub modules concept we are writing. Sub modules means like as you have a React Native application and web application sharing the same feature, we are using sub modules. Yeah. Okay, you saying agile. Okay, agile means like as a one. So firstly, we are using waterfall. Then after coming to the agile. So agile means like as a agile, and after that the microservices coming. Microservices means different, but agile means like as a you writing one applications, but separately feature you can create. You can deploy single application like as a Docker similar to you one Docker, but Docker inside you creating multiple means like as your authentication service differently, payment related service differently, is different service, and all the service deploy or a single environment similar to. I Yeah, yeah, thank you sir. Yeah, bye bye.